Want to know how to do the crazy intro? No cap, just follow me to learn the cool stuff. Hit subscribe, like, and open CapCut. Bring in your VFX, but if you want mine, I will drop the download link in the comments section. Then, add your text, make it big, bold, and probably white, just as I am choosing here. The text must look 3D, even if you aren't using 3D font. Then, go to Animation, In, and choose Wipe Right. Put the duration at 2.0 seconds. Yo, cool with your text, right? Then align your VFX with the text like this. Split the VFX here, copy this last part and overlay it, then go to Blend here and choose Hard Light. Blend it so much until it feels so real. Boom! You just made the crazy stuff. Buy me a coffee up here.